This is a 2023 Tundra Platinum Hybrid. Is that correct? And today we're going to be installing this entire box of Toyota supplied parts. It's part of their TRD 3-inch lift. So they fill it with all these goodies and they give you 70 pages of instructions, and depending on what state you live in, some of those instructions to do with lighting will apply to you. In our home state here, it does not. So this will only be covering the installation of the 3-inch kit on that and other trucks that are like it. Read the instructions to see if your truck applies to this kit.
I had, they were on sale at Harbor Freight. What is that, Joey? 24?
Yeah, 22. 24.
Check out that 4x4.